So here we're given this trucking facility and two drivers. Whereas Ben left this facility at 8 a.m. heading east, and Al headed west at 11 a.m. And then at a particular time later that day, they retrieved this data, and they found that Al had averaged 40 miles per hour, and Ben had averaged 20 miles per hour. And they also tell us that they had driven a total of 240 miles together. So I'm going to assign a variable here, which is T hours afterwards when the dispatcher retrieved the data. So we need to know relative to, I'm going to do the time T hours in addition from 11 a.m. So in that case, Al would have driven for T hours. Since he drove it at 40 miles per hour, the distance would be rate times time. Whereas in Ben's case, this would be, he has already driven for 3 additional hours. So he's been driving for T plus 3 hours. So you just have to remember this T is relative to Al's departure. So the distance he would have covered is the rate times the total time. And this collectively is what's given to us as 240. So that's the relationship that will give us what T is. I can divide throughout by 20. That's 2. This is 120. So my equation is 2T plus 3 is 120. 3T is 117, or T is 3 times 3, 9. Actually, this should be, you can see, you make a mistake here. This 0 goes out. That's why I was suspicious that I'm getting such large numbers. So 3T plus 3 is 12. You have to get nice numbers on the GMAT for the most part. So T is 3. So that's 3 hours from 11 a.m. So that's going to be 2 p.m. is when the dispatcher retrieved the data. So the answer is choice B.